Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 11.2 of class 7th. In this exercise we will deal with the problems related to the area of parallelogram and triangle. So before we start this exercise we will discuss about the area of parallelogram and area of triangle. So students, triangle is a three-sided closed figure. It has three sides, three vertices and three angles. So area of triangle is the region occupied by its sides. So area of triangle, formula for the area of triangle is half multiplied by its base and multiplied by its height. And unit of the area is square meter, square centimeter, etc. Our second topic is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a four-sided closed figure in which its opposite sides are equal and parallel. And area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Now we are going to start our exercise with first question. Question number 1 is find the area of each of the following parallelogram. As we all know that area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height, and in the first diagram it is given that base is equal to 7 centimeter and height is equal to 4 centimeter, and we know area is equal to base multiplied by height. So we can write 7 centimeter in place of base and we can write 4 centimeter in place of height. After multiplication, we have 28 centimeter square. It is the area of the first diagram. Now moving to our next question. In the second diagram, base is equal to 5 centimeter and height, its corresponding height is equal to 3 centimeter. And as we know that area is equal to base multiplied by height, so we can write 5 centimeter in place of base and we can write 3 centimeter in place of height. After multiplication we have 15 centimeter square and it is the area of the second part of the first question. In this way you can solve its remaining part. Now moving to the next question. In the next question we have to find out area of the triangle. So first diagram is in the first diagram it is given that base is 4 centimeter and its corresponding height is 3 centimeter, and we know that area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. After substituting all the values we have 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. We write 4 in place of base and we write 3 in place of height. So we have, after calculating all the values, we have 6 centimeter square and it is the area of the triangle. In this way you can solve its remaining part. Now moving to the next question. Third question is find the missing values. In this question, as you can see here that a table is given in which some values are given and we have to find out the missing values. So moving to its first part. In the first part it is given that base is equal to 20 centimeter. Height, we have to find its height, whereas area of the parallelogram is 246 centimeter square. So student, first we write all the information from the question. As mentioned in the question, base is equal to 20 centimeter, height is equal to question mark, and area of parallelogram is equal to 246 centimeter square. As we all know, area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. So we can write base multiplied by height in place of area, and in the right side we can write 246. After substituting values from the question, we have 20 multiplied by height is equal to 246. And from here we can easily calculate value of height and it is 12.3 centimeter. In the second part, base is missing and height is 15 centimeter, whereas the area of parallelogram is 154.5 centimeter square. As I did in the previous question, first we are going to write all the information. So base is equal to question mark, height is equal to 15 centimeter, and area of parallelogram is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Formula for the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. So we can write base multiplied by height in place of area, and it is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Now we are going to substitute value of height from the question. So it become b multiplied by 15 is equal to 154.5 centimeter. After solving this question, we have 10.3 centimeter, and it is the value of base for the second part. In this way you can solve remaining part of this question. Now we are going to move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is find the missing value, and information is mentioned in the table. In the first part, base is equal to 15 centimeter, height is equal to question mark, and area of triangle is equal to 87 centimeter square. First we write all the information from the question. It is given in the question that base is equal to 15 centimeter, height is equal to question mark, and area of triangle is equal to 87 centimeter square. As we all know, area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height, and value of area of triangle is 87 centimeter square. After substituting all the values, we have 1 upon 2 multiplied by 15 multiplied by height is equal to 87. From here we can easily calculate value of height, and it is 11.6 centimeter. So in the same manner you can solve remaining part of the fourth question. Now we are going to solve next question. Question number 5th. Fifth question is PQRS is a parallelogram. Figure 11.23, QM is the height from Q to RS and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 centimeter and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter, find the area of parallelogram PQRS. In the part B, we have to find out QN if PS is equal to 8 centimeter. So start with the first part. In this part, we have to find out area of PQRS, parallelogram PQRS, and base is equal to 12 centimeter and its corresponding height is equal to 7.6 centimeter. This information is given in the question. So area is equal to base multiplied by height. After substituting values from the question, we have 91.2 centimeter square. So it is the solution of the first part. Now in the second part, we have to find out value of QN if PS is equal to 8 centimeter. We already find out area of parallelogram in the first part, and it is 91.2 centimeter square. So we can write area is equal to 91.2 centimeter square, base is equal to 8 centimeter, and height is equal to question mark. Again we are going to apply area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. After substituting all the values, we have value of height, and it is 11.4 centimeter. In this way you can solve its next question. Both the question are similar. Now we are going to move question number 7, and seventh question is triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at A. 11.25 figure. AD is the perpendicular to BC if AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter, and AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find out the length of AD. So in triangle ABC, base is equal to AB and value of AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Height is equal to AC and value of height is equal to 12 centimeter. As we all know, area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So we have half multiplied by 5 multiplied by 12. From here we can easily calculate area of triangle, and it is 30 centimeter square. Again we are going to calculate area of the same triangle, but in this time base is equal to 13 centimeter and height is equal to AD. So and area is equal to 30 centimeter square. So area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height, and 30 is equal to half multiplied by 13 multiplied by 80. After solving this question, we have 4.6 centimeter, and it is the solution of the 7th question. Now moving to the next question. ABC is a isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the area? What will be the height from C to AB? That is CE. So student, you can solve this question by yourself as I did in question number 7.